we're gonna do today, middle of March, we fixing to start breaking ground. We got the box blade on here. I've been having to clean up driveways with all the rain we've had. It's washed our drives and stuff, so I've been doing a lot of that type of stuff, slicking up the gravel, leveling everything out. But we fixing to unhook this and hook our 6-foot disc. And we're gonna get down here. The other day I cleaned up everything out of my garden spot, got all the sticks and whatnot out of it. This is the first year I've been able to run this tractor. I usually break it up with a Kubota that we have. But this year, this is my grandfather's old tractor. I'm particularly proud of this tractor. My grandfather, which we call him down here in Mississippi, we call him Pawpaw. But he plowed with it, worked with it, and it's been set up for a long time, didn't run. I had to get the lift working. I had to pull this cover off and clean out all of this down in the hydraulic tanks down in this center section of this tractor. I had to pull the seat cover and all that off. Got all that working, and this year it's still got an oil leak. We're still missing some headlights, so I got some work we got to do to it, but I got it repainted, and seems to run good, pulls good. We fixing to use it to break ground. We got to plow with it just a little bit at the end of last season. I didn't get to make any videos with it during the restoration of this. Probably not going to. Too slow of a process for me to get anything done and video. But we're going to try to get some video of us here in a little bit, breaking some ground with this. We're going, the wind's blowing. It's finally, we got a couple of days of dry weather again. We've had lots and lots of rain. If you've seen the other video the other day, you've seen we had about probably pushing 25 inches in the last 2 months. So, but the wind's blowing. If I can run over things one time, that wind will blow through that dirt and dry it out a lot faster. So we can get prepared, let the grass die, and I'll let it sit there for 2 or 3 weeks before we attempt to do anything else with it. But that's what we're going to do today. Behind me right here, this is our little garden spot. I'll show you in a minute. I done cut up 2 more spots, but I was going to get a little footage of me cutting up this. I'm going to leave my mustards and my turnip greens because I'm going to get some seed out of that. Plus, we still eating on them alone. But we're going to get a little footage of us doing some ground breaking with a 6-foot disc behind this old Ford tractor. take a little ride on the Polaris here. Show you what we got cut up over here. Me and the dog, we're gonna take you on a little ride. That in there, it don't want to ride, it wants to bite the tires. We're gonna ease around right here and look at what we got cut up. Still gotta pick up some limbs right here. Prune those off that apple tree. That thing produces a good many apples. We got all this cut up. We'll put mostly corn right here in this area. I'm gonna turn, we're gonna climb up this bank. This will be where all the peas, all of that goes. I'm gonna check one more thing. We got some fruit trees right here. These, they already bloomed out. Both of those are peach trees. Then you can see right here I got 3 plum bushes. And I dug these up down the road at a lady's plum bushes she had. This little fella here, he almost got run over the lawnmower not long after they was planted a couple years ago. Actually early last year. It didn't get mowed, but it just got ran over. So it's a little shorter than the rest of them. But it's got green on it. I'm just showing y'all a little bit about what we got here.